In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share gems in Google Gemini. A quick primer before we begin. Gems are custom versions of Gemini that you configure with instructions and examples, so sharing one lets teammates or collaborators use the same tailored assistant without recreating it from scratch. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Google Gemini. In the results, choose the official Google Gemini site to launch the app. If you're prompted to sign in, make sure you're using the Google account that actually owns the gem you want to share. Switching accounts early prevents confusion later. Once you're in Gemini, open the main menu. Depending on your layout, this may look like a small hamburger icon or an expand arrow that reveals the left sidebar. This menu is where your saved content, including gems, is organized. Give the page a second to load, especially if you have many items. Locate the gem you want to share. If you've created several, look for its title or thumbnail. When you see it, select the three dots, often called the More or Overflow menu, on that gem's card. This menu holds actions specific to that gem. Choose Share. If this is your first time sharing from Gemini, you may see a prompt to connect your Google services so Gemini can access your contacts and collaboration tools. Click Connect to approve. This only enables the sharing panel to find people, groups, spaces, and calendar events tied to your account. If you're in a work or school environment and don't see the option, your administrator may limit sharing, so check your access if needed. In the sharing window, start adding recipients. You can type names or email addresses to add individuals, select Google Groups for broader distribution, choose spaces if your team collaborates in chat, or attach the gem to a calendar event so attendees can use it right from the meeting context. Take a moment to verify you've picked the correct people or spaces. Small typos can send access to the wrong place. If there's a field for a message, use it to explain what the gem does and any guidelines for using it. If permission settings appear, pick the level that matches your intent, such as letting others use the gem without editing your setup. When everything looks right, click Send. Gemini will share the gem with your selected recipients, and they'll get access according to the options you chose. That's it. Your custom assistant is now in the hands of your collaborators, ready to help them work just like it helps you.